we called here in this auditorium. Many times for many programs, activities, what we conduct here, interactions with students. The objective of the program, but you are not thinking about it. As when you come here, you feel that you are free for 1 or 2 hours in the classroom, relaxing yourself. That is one way. I also accept it. But at the same time, when the experts or somebody, when they enter the hall, you have to maintain some decorum, as you are all engineering professionals. That is why I repeat all the time when I come here, when I take the mic. You keep in mind always that you are going to become an engineering graduate and you are in this profession, you need to maintain certain things. We cannot compromise on quality at any time. Try to understand. For every individual, certain qualities, yes, I stand on this. I will be like this. I will work like this. My policy is like this. That is required for an engineer. Otherwise, we cannot come up in life. We cannot stand. We cannot lead. We cannot come big in future. So all these fundamentals, basics that lift the person for some greater height. If you don't follow, you have to struggle years together, but even still you cannot find the change within you. That is the problem. So therefore, today, our alumni of Weldtech Engineering College, now this is Weldtech University. So the two alumni belongs to 2006 passed out batch. Mr. Kartik Nathan L. He belongs to Computer Science Department, who passed out in the year 2006. Now currently is working in Federal Bank as manager and branch head. So the other gentleman, Suresh Kumar B, is working in HCL BPO Technologies as a team leader, right? So his BT number is, you have no BTU. So long back, what the code we followed is BT, just Weldtech BT. So his ID number is 1879. Kartik Nathan ID number is 1873, where we find unique with the ID number. So they are going to share the experience, what they had in the industry, even still today, what is happening, in IT sector, as well as the gentleman who is working in banking sector, where today a lot of engineers, they get into banking sector because all banks are now with, upgraded with, latest technologies where they provide, customer support. So that requires technology upgradation. Therefore, banking sector also need engineering graduates to have and to serve for the people. Okay? So they are going to share now. So I welcome here Kartik Nathan and I welcome Suresh Kumar. He is from IT department. He is from IT department. You are also IT. My God. Okay. I thought of that one CSC from one IT. Okay. Anyway, both, whichever may be it is the same domain. But IT has come from CSC, whatever it may be. But we are in the same domain, no problem. So let us, I think, my dear students, whatever they say to you, even from your side, we can ask a lot of questions, your doubts, even one more year you have to face, a lot of interviews and other things. If anything is there, that is the what is required without wasting your time. Don't picture yourself among the group. Rather, try to keep some questions in your mind usefully so you can ask them. How they reply for those questions. That helps others also. So this is the interaction actually. Okay? So I hand over mic to the first, you or the other gentleman. Yeah, Karthik Nandan.
Hi friends. I'm very happy to see you all here. And after 9 years, I'm visiting my college, and now it becomes university. And I have completed IT in 2006. And after completion of engineering, I was searching a job for 1 year. And I didn't get it. That's why I joined in Pondicherry University as MBA. I completed MBA in the Pondicherry University in the year 2009. Then through campus, I was selected as an assistant manager in Luxury Last Night. Anybody knows? LVB. Then 2 years, 9 months, I have been with the LVB as an assistant manager. Then I was selected as a manager in Federal Bank. And in banking sector, most of the youngsters who are working in branch operation, I am not telling IT department. In branch banking, most of the people from engineering, our organization will directly go to the engineering college and recruit for engineering people. Engineering people are very rare in banking. Once you get into banking, you have a speed growth. Within 1 year of span, you can understand banking. But person who working in the banking for more than 20 years, they are not able to understand IT or technology. Everybody have bank account in banking. Bank account, everybody knows. Can you tell what is going to banking? What you are expecting from banking? Loan. Money. Once you invest, you will get. But we used to give service in over the counter. But nowadays, what happened? They used to call and every customer used to call and ask me, sir, my net banking is not working and my mobile banking is not working. They used to contact only branches. So, person who is working for more than 20 years, he doesn't know what is internet. Even they don't know how to operate a mouse. That's why some 5 years back or 2 years back, when they go for recruitment or announcing recruitment, they used to tell what are the needs, what are the things you should have to work in to get into the banking. The main expectation is you should operate, you should work in MS Word, MS Office, Excel, and you should operate a system, mouse, or you should take printout. You should know how to scan. If you know these things, surely you can get into the bank. You will get a very good position. And out of most of the banks, mostly engineers only working. Whether do you have any dream to get into the bank? Every 6 months you can attend IBPS exam for specialist officers. Directly you can go for IT department or a data center or operation department or CBS support, customer bank support from head office. Pure IT. If you go into the IT sector, sector, you can develop the software, but you don't know where it is going to use. In banking, what are the developments, what are the IT applications are developed by software you are using and assisting the branches and assisting the customers how to use the software. You have any dream of banking? Banks are within 2 or 3 months, some 30% of vacuum. Because most of the 30% of people are retiring from the banking sector. Opportunity only for engineers. And how many of you played already? Third year. Not yet. Anybody doing some international certification in your stream? Are you from IT or CSE? Both. CISA, anybody knows? CISA. Certified Information System Module. No. This is one of the international certificate. Once you complete it, you can go for any department for audit. Any sector. IT, finance, anywhere. And if you have any doubt on how to get into the banking or what are the scope for engineers in banking sector, you can ask. Anybody?
And I'm now an alumni officer of this college at present PTU. Why do we bring out these people? Because after 9 years, 10 years, you should be here and in a good place. And when we go out of this college, you will be jolly, you will be enjoying life. You can see these people, they would have enjoyed more than you. Why we bring you here? Because after 9 or 10 years, you should not have any struggle in the field. Okay? Please do have some interaction with them, coordinate with them, because we are bringing him. Why? Because when you are out of college, you will not know what the industry is. Right? You don't have industry experience. You think very easy that we go out of the college, we get a job, it will be placed. No. Market is competitive, and once a person with the right knowledge will get into a good position. And we 2006 passed out students, we all 2006 passed out students, all are placed in a good position, not for any wrong information. I'm an alumni officer, I just joined 2 days back, and I went through all the database. I could see everyone placed almost in a good position after 9 years. The reason behind this, that time we had a different competitive world, and now the market is different. And I think you understand what is the difficulty. I know the people when you study, you can enjoy. I do understand. We do enjoy. But when you come out of the college, not only from Webtech University, any college, any person, you should have the right ability. Only then you can enter into a good market. I hope you understand, and that is the reason I'm organizing. I'm an alumni officer. I'm organizing to get out the old students so that they can share what is there in the industry and how they feel in the industry. Definitely, you raise up your questions. Just check it out. What is the option? Don't think only campus is the placement. When you go out of the campus, how you can serve in the market. Yeah. Please be silent now. I can understand you have a free period and you can interact more. We bring in the reason behind this is just simple. You should know what is happening in the market. And inside the college, you can be very, very cool enough. You know what is happening in the outside the market. But when you go outside, definitely each one of you will face the problem. Because we all face the problem, and over that, we have become a good, we have got good place now. Okay? Please do understand what is the reason behind it. And it is not for entertainment, please. I know I do understand, because we are the same position, we have sat in the same auditorium, enjoyed when we had a talk. But similarly, we had gone in this 9 years or 10 years, each one of us has grown up in a lot of good position. And the reason behind them to bring them here is nothing. They are just an alumni student, but they want, but we don't get any information from the outside country or outside the market. Now, the reason we bring them to is to find out what is their Okay? Please maintain your silence. And you have any queries? We write you to go the studies only because we have to have a good career. That is the reason for 4 years of hard struggle, we are just getting into the college, finishing a college. Once after the college, definitely you will be struggling. So please state in your song why you have to have a person here, why he is giving a good introduction, what is happening in the market, find out what is your good position, how you can improve your skills also to in the competitive environment. Okay? Please.
Forget about you think about I am your alumni. You can ask a general question.
He is your friend. Okay? He is your friend. Just
Actually, what happened in alumni meet, we try to come forward with a group. You know what happened? Our classmates, our friends told, I never visit the college. They announced 1,000 or 2,000 rupees, I think. They said, I never, even they give lakh rupees, I won't visit that college. They are treated as like anything. You know, some 3 to 5 times I have sent out of the class. And after some 4 years in the same semester, after some 3 months, one man used to ask me, Karthik, can you tell me what subject I am taking? I completed 12th in Tamil Medium. After what happened once, after joining class not yet started for 6 and 1 week, they have not allowed the class. Everybody is coming and asking where is the class, what department, everything in English. I said, I am from Tamil Medium. Don't speak in English. I don't know anything. Then what happened? No, after 2 or 3 days, one person is coming. Is actually asked where is the department, everything in Tamil only. I said, don't ask me in English. I don't know anything. Oh, if I ask Tamil, you understand in Tamil, then tell me. I am asking you in English. After time 1 week, I thought of quit the college. Then after started the classes, just 5 minutes only I can listen. Then I will sleep. This knows everything. Everything knows my physics ma'am and physics and English, chemistry. All the classes, whole semester, a whole year I used to sleep. And they used to say, Karthik Nathan, you are sleeping. Then personally I went to department, ma'am, don't tell in the class, don't tell publicly in the class. Because whatever the subject you are taking, I don't know anything. Then what happened now? In physics book, she used to write everything in Tamil. This is what today I have taken. If you don't know anything, you come to the department and ask everything, I will be ready to explain. Then he is a person. First semester, out of the 600, I think, some 8 department, 3% has all 5 subjects, everything good. He is one of the persons. We other this is what we face in the college. After first semester, what happened in summer, whatever we are reading, whatever we understood, that one we used to write. But people who are from English medium, they will listen, Madam, tell me the story. This is what they used to. Then just afterwards, before he used to see the all stories and he used to write and he'll pass the exam. Then after second semester in English, ma'am, letter writing. First letter is your state leg is not working. Or second, what is the position of India newspaper in India? Position of newspaper. First is what is the position of newspaper in India? And the second is your street light is not working. You know, my biggest pain is when I read English, I get tired. Then after reading the first option, I go for giving the answer. After 150 paper correction, ma'am, while distributing the paper, he used to tell, you are the only person who wrote this letter. Everybody is asking me, how come you can write this letter? This is a very easy, no? I said, I am After reading one, I understood the story and that's why I returned the exam. I don't know what is the second option is. Then they said your English is very good. Why don't you write everything? You just read and understand the English and write. What happened the third semester onward, I used to read all the 36 pages. My mark is 36. Pass. Out of 6 papers, 3 papers, 5 papers clear. All 5 papers 36. Then after completion of 1 year, I have 9 again. Then fourth semester I cleared everything. While writing the arrear, in the exam hall and Balkan, everybody used to ask, what you people are every day you are coming. For all exam you use it. Then you have principle of communication, you have paper. In that I have came for arrear exam. I thought of leave the room within half an hour. What happened while stand I have seen on my classmate paper. You know very well transmitter and receiver. While receiving the signal, that will be on receiver. Then modulation, then demodulation. Another is the transmitter. This is the way. That modulation and demodulation is not there. She used to write all the answers. Then I thought, you don't know diagram, you are writing the story. I know diagram, but I don't know the story. Then I drawn the diagram, I written the story. Whatever the operation, everything I written. I cleared that. And
see, why he is telling all this? Because he is not a first bench student, okay? He is a last bench student.
First bench means while entering the class, what table is there now? You can see teacher used to see this bench is at back side. That first bench is there now. While entering the class, they never. I am the only person you can see. And seventh semester, I think, fifth semester, I used to every day used to sleep, but particular man said, starting on this is the second day I am saying you are sleeping. Then I said, ma'am, past 8 summers, 6 summers I used to sleep. You are the only man you are sleeping. Then I went to the department, IT department, and said, whatever the thing, you should personally tell me you are sleeping. So sleeping or anything. In publicly you should not tell. Then in front of HOD we used to fight. You should, how can you say in front of others I am sleeping? Then she said, you are sleeping only. Okay, anyway, you should ask me personally, no? You can ask me, you get out or anything. Personally you should tell. Then he told, you get out of the class. Then I never go. If you want, you go. This is what, then he told, I never take the class unless he is in the class.
See, all the chit-chats what we have done, we have also done on our college days. But once we opt out of college, you will find out.
I never take the class. If you sit in the class, I never take the class. I don't know it. Whether you are taking or not, I won't listen. I won't go. This is what so this is what happened in my we have done everything. Okay. And once out of the class college, 1 year I started off. 1 year I started off, and in call centers they used to ask everything in English, One of the toughest was in tell about yourself. I recorded everything. I never used to say first round itself. In TCS, Satyam, I cleared the written exam. But once I go into the personal interview, they won't select. They used to say, we have a lot of Tamil experience, Tamil language English. What to do? Since my birth, I used to speak Tamil. After joining engineering only, I used to start to read semester they said this is a practical, final practical. You should explain the stage itself. Then I said, sorry, my batchmate is there. Documentation done by what? Explanation he will tell. Don't ask me to teach anything, explain anything. So once I get out of the bank, out of the engineering, for 1 year I have searched for job. And campus itself some around 4 to 5 people only selected. And in our department, none of them selected. And 1 year I tried for job, I didn't get it. First thing they are asking, do you know Java, C, C++, B, C++? I was cleared oops, just like anything. What happened? They are interested. When I go for IEL exam, they ask one question. Operator overloading. They are asking 16 mark. 16 mark. Plus, minus, multiply and divide. I read some 18 pages only program. I don't know how they passed me. I cleared it. So I didn't have any domain knowledge. And I don't know any English knowledge also. I never speak English. Then I written exam for CAT, MAT, ZAT, JMAT, TANZET, continuously, everything. Then at last I get into the MBA. Once I get into the MBA, I felt I faced a lot of problems. They never take the class. Once you get into the college, they get into the university, we have given the syllabus. Don't expect guide or teacher anybody. So you read yourself and get a place yourself in any bank or any organization. And the first project in Pondicherry, we have to roam every street and all the we have to take survey. And we have to take class in the explain everything what we have collected and everything we have submitted. And explain in front of the class and in front of all the staff. That's the first time I stand at the stage. That's why we have read all the syllabuses and we have cleared all the exams. But once we come out of the department, we need to we should have a communication. We struggling like anything. That's why still I have struggled to go out of the state and go to head office. So when I go for head office, we used to interact all state people. They used to ask for everything, and that's why still I am sitting in Tamil Nadu and working in a rural or semi-urban branch. My kind request is, whatever the syllabus, anyway we used to read in just 1 day before or that previous night only. Remaining period, you read any that this help your career or go for any international certification. This is a very, very good ticket. When you have CISA, when I have CISA, since I am in a bank, when I have a CISA, you know to spend around 80,000 rupees. Once you get into the bank will pay every month 5,000. Oracle certificate. Once you clear, you will get into the MIS department. Are you ready? MIS level is there? Managing Information System. Once you clear the Oracle, they never have to tell about yourself. Surely you will get it. If you have any general queries, don't care about any technical or anything. What you need once get out of the department.
Completed, you go to the head office and sit in the MIS department. Report generation. Once the customer come into the bank manager should know who is he, what are the credit worth of the customer. You know, everywhere, if he has money, we will treat treat him differently. If he doesn't have money, we used to treat differently. Alright. That is what the banking facing a lot of problem. He used to wear some dhoti or dresses, but he has a very networked customer. We need to know once he come into the branch, we should know who is he, what are the assets he has, what are the liabilities he has, what are the business he used to give. 10 years back, we used to see all the ledgers. Now, once you enter, we used to give customer ID. It will tell what are the assets, liabilities, what are the income the bank is getting from the customer. Only because of engineering.
Anybody of you is interested in banking sector or yeah?
Previously, they used to give importance for BCom and MCom. Now they are not listening them. You know, engineering people they are adopting all the changes. Previously, local software we used. Now CBS. Now it has converted to it is interacted with all the international software. So they are adopting. You know what happened 10 years, 15 years back, they used to write a ledger. They introduced a computer. For that, all the bank employees gone for strike. You know why? We are not able to use keyboard. We are not able to use mouse. So if we give incentive use, we are ready to use a keyboard and mouse. But what happened now? Most of them engineering students, they are adopting all the changes. This is what bank need. So you ask general question, what do you want? What is the market?
No, I think you don't have an idea what is an industry or what you have to go after the college.
இப்போ சும்மா engineering டிக்கெட் ஒன்று வெளியே எடுத்துட்டு டிக்கெட் தான் உள்ள போய் படம் பார்த்து அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்றது நம்மளோட கையில தான் இருக்கு. காசு கொடுத்தோம் டிக்கெட் வாங்கியாச்சு. உள்ள போய் படம் புரியுதா அது மணிரத்னம் படமா இல்ல என்ன படம் நமக்கு தான் புரியணும். அதுதான் சரியா? அதனால நாங்க when I come out of the bank, out of the engineering, we doesn't know anything. I know how to operate MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint. They recruited me. Oh, you know Word and mouse, you can operate. After joining 1.5 years, I asked some old person, he about to retire in 2 or 3 months. I said, sir, close the window. After touching the mouse, he is struggling to the cursor. He trying to make him reach that button. This is what happening. Then what happened? Past 6 months, one printer is not working. Whenever the customer come for, sir, can you give the account statement? Sir, printer is not working. So come after 6 months. After 6 months, then after our CPU is not working. Some RAM or something has gone. One system CPU is simply sitting in the. They are not using that. Then what they said, sir, the system is not working. Passbook, account opening, everything you come later. Then I said, you just wait for a few minutes. I just changed the CPU. You know what happened? I got applause from head office, zonal office, everywhere. Why? I changed the CPU. Think past 6 months, nobody knows how to change the CPU, how to rectify the printer. Then we have to call up for that particular CPU changes. They have to wait for 4 days. From Chennai, they have to travel to Erode to rectify, to change the CPU. Then IT people who are sitting in the head office and IT department, they used to say, sir, how many lights are blinking in the router? How many lights are blinking in the that particular switch? They used to say, sir, switch, they know that particular switch. They don't know router. Sir, green color is there somewhere. In server room, no, most of them are green and red only. So, this is what banking is expecting from engineering students. You know how to operate the mouse. You know how to operate the keyboard. You ask general question. You have a lot of opportunity in banking sector. Around 80,000 branches in India. SBI around 20,000. Federal Bank around 2,000 branches. So like that, some 21 nationalized bank. 6 SBI and associated, 7 SBI and associated bank. And 15 scheduled commercial bank. And 35 international bank. They need only engineers. Now they are transforming to biometric. You know very well, just fingerprint only. 7 years recent, they have joined from engineering college. 7 months only, but he come out of the engineering and joined in the banking, and he had done a fraud of some 1.5 crores. Then he said, they captured. This is how you done 1.5 crores fraud. He said, in this particular software, 180 methods we can do fraud. There is an opportunity to do 180 methods. And the same way, there is a problem for in banking while recruiting engineering students. They need trust.
I hope you're familiar with banking sector, and if you have any queries, you can ask. Otherwise, I would ask Mr. Suresh. He's from IT and BPO industry.
These people from engineering college, what they know, how do they run the banking? They doesn't know about simple interest, compound interest. No need. Calculator is there, software is there. We know how to give input. System will, some IT people have developed the software. We know how to use. What is the need of 2 plus 2 equal to 4? No need to calculate. When I press 2 plus 2, it will give answer. But the problem is nobody knows how to give input.
Sir, are you satisfied with your job?
Yeah, sure.
Because you told that you got the ticket for engineering and you worked hard for 4 years. You learned something from that. Now, whether you are satisfied with that? Because
my MBA, those who are completed engineering, they only eligible for that particular MBA. MBA in banking technology. Whatever I read in engineering, computer network, same book, OAMD, same book I have studied in MBA.
Sir, can you understand my question?
Yeah.
No, I got the, you said that you got the ticket for engineering and you have learned, you have struggled hard for 4 years, you learned something. Do you satisfied with that because you didn't get job in IT field or any other domain? So are you satisfied with this job?
Yeah. Sure. Because I am not using whole banking. I have to do business. As on date 34 crores. My target is again within 12 months I need to do again 10 crores. But that is different. I know technology. If you give service, business automatically it will come. How to give service? When I know what is meant by internet banking, mobile banking, IMPS and SMS alert and CBS, and within 10 minutes I have to type the letter. I have to reporting. When I receive the fake note, I have to report to vigilance department through software. That time bound is there. With the particular day, I have to report. I know how to use the software. When I give this service, business will come.
See, graduation is just a basic. After you finish your graduation, how do you take it? Like whether you're going to technical or BPO job or IT? No, now see, when we completed 2006 passed out, when we completed BE was...
Doing engineering, none. Nobody. All are engineering. We never get any research oriented doubt or anything. As I said, no, you are sleeping. Then I asked one question. What ma'am told, you sleep. This is what she told. Still I have that, remember that question. Ma'am told, when I improve the quality, you can reduce the time. There is a logic is there. That I asked that question. Ma'am simply told, you sleep.
And I answer to your question, we were also enjoying like you, we were also sitting, playing everything. When we go...
I have completed engineering in 4 years. You know, since I have done Tamil medium, I have completed 4 years, within 4 years. Most of the person who scored 83% or 75%, after they had an arrear in Maths 3 and DSP.
See, you can go with your studies like, you just...
8th certification in securities market. Then Oracle 2 level I have got. And some after engineering, MBA, CIB, DTIRM, I have done lot of certifications. Because bank, they used to pay incentive for all certifications. Once you come into the bank, they given some 20 list. If you are complete these courses, you will be paid. I have earned around some 30,000. And again they have introduced new certificate. Every year, financial year, market is giving new certificate. If you complete, you can get incentive as well as you will get a promotion.
See, there are list of certificate courses. But
No. My MBA HOD used to say, unless third party certified you, they never believe you know this. Sir, I have MBA engineering. I know, sir. No, unless third party certified you, no one believe. That third party should be a international. You can get from NIT or some CSE or anywhere, but you find which certificate is worth in market. You find it. You do it. Take your own. This is the third year, no? You do it for 1 more year. But once you come out of engineering, BTech, as well as one certificate, any one certificate, that will give.
First 2 years of your college, you enjoy and go over your studies. You reach your third year, find out where is your location, where is your certification, find out which will active in the market, find out that I can start from doing from third year. Don't think we'll go for final year and we can do it, because the final year you will have your own mission schedule of the project and it will not complete it. So try to start doing your courses by third year.
Other than engineering, do any course other than engineering. You should be different from nearby person who is doing same.
Madam,
You are good afternoon. Repeat. Editor. Examinations. Wait. Those are my brothers and sisters. Okay. Because I also studied in college, same room, and we used to play cricket in the classroom as well. Because this number is 1873 and mine is 1879. In the how many? 6. We are all studied for Tamil, which means 5 years. They are not like that. Okay? We know like how we used to be in college, but now how we are living. So I can see there are many people, sleeping cases, very tired. See, and every year I used to get calls from alumni people that Suresh can just come and give some speech. Because there are many people seeing me taking training in SGL. So my job is taking training for freshers. You know what is fresher? What is fresher? Fresher means it's not like the way you should not have a girlfriend or boyfriend. No. It means freshly finished college. Can you all hear me? The last row.
I hope you can, give some attention. Why? What's the intention we are bringing the people here? You think last month, I went to Noida. You know where is Noida? Where is please answer? You know where is Noida? I went to Noida to take interview and give training for my process. Okay. So there I see people are actually enjoying, the people who finish college, freshers, or enjoying life. But that is not happening in Tamil Nadu, that is in Chennai, right? Now, that's your thought and answer me, like how many people are really choosing
engineering, engineering field. In this room, how many people are, chosen from your heart, not like told by your dad or mom or family? How many people are really chosen that you want to study here? Please, like.
I hope you understand the question.
Either you can call me bro or Suresh. Okay? Because from the day I joined college, it was like star, man. So how many choose yourself? That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many? What is it? How many total? Okay. So totally 100 people are in this room, right? So just 20 people, I think, 20 guys have really chosen that you want to go with engineering background, right? So what about others? Just answer simply. So like that happened to me and this guy also. I scored 1020 in 12. So there are many people told, Suresh, your mark is good, so you can try for engineering studies. But actually I don't want to do engineering. Okay, I want to go to cine field. I want to be an actor, maybe negative role, and after that superstar. But my mom told that no, you cannot work. I give invitation. You don't want to do it. Like some Singapore against India. Like that I do it. Something has changed my life. Guys, please. Just 10 minutes. We'll finish up. I know that you are hungry. Right? For a tea shop. Right now. Just wait. So whenever I take interview, right, I ask first question. The same question is said, like, tell me about yourself. Shall I fix someone and ask the question? Is it okay for you? No, sir. You want the list? Names to this. You have it. There are the names. Maybe I can pick up myself.
Sir,
The check.
you're hiding yourself. Get up.
Maybe you can give me like because okay, just look at me, okay? And you need to okay, can you speak English if you don't mind, right? See, this group knows about me, right? Every day he will be Kishore hero. You know this Kishore? Have you seen him? Once in a week I used to get caught by Kishore. Driving, sometimes smoking. Everywhere I used to get caught by Kishore. So,
He's asking some question. No? Just answer.
your name please, your name.
You can enjoy your life.
Your name. Okay, how many areas for you? Okay, till now how many areas for you? It's okay. I'm fine, right? We'll get them. 60. You know mine. 27. He knows my age is 27 and they are fourth year. Actually till I cross third year, I do have less friends. Okay. But when I go into fourth year, there are many girls, many guys, and coming and talking to me like, "You're Suresh, right?" I said yes. Can you tell me how can you fail in all the exams? it's not my problem. Question paper is tough. If you get passed, it's true. That's how I answer. Okay. Then after I got a job in a different company, not HCL right now. Right now I'm working at HCL. Previously one company called Freecons, where again I used to take calls. Okay. Then in one semester I played out 27 exams. You can write. So now just tell me about yourself. Just maybe 2 minutes. You have to call your name please. Narendra. Full name is? Full name is, you have to say your name. Akbar. No, sir. Just tell me about yourself. Hold your hand. Sit. Is anybody got it yet? Name card. Not this card. Different card. Now go 2 minutes. Okay, don't look at me. In this group, which one you like? You know in your classroom, right? Anyone sitting over here? Your class girl, right? Okay, just look at this people and talk.
Introduce yourself to your friend. Who's your best friend here? Sure.
Louder. Louder, please. Girls, can you hear me? No. Just louder. Can you hear? Go ahead, go on. Okay. Wait, please. Huh?
நாங்கள் சொன்ன வார்த்தை மேடம் நான் லைப்ரரியில் நான் இங்கே எல்லாம் லைப்ரரியில் இருந்தேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம். அதை நாங்கள் சொன்ன வார்த்தை எப்படின்னா நான் கோயிங் லைப்ரரி. சடனாக ஒரு கொஸ்டின், இப்போ வீக்லி எக்ஸாம் இருக்கா? இல்லை, அப்போ எழுதுனா 20 டைம்ஸ் வரலன்னா 20 டைம்ஸ் எழுதணும். அது இப்போ என்னன்னா, அப்போ ஏன் ஹோம்ஒர்க் பண்ணல அப்படின்னு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி எக்ஸாம் நான் சொன்ன ஆன்சர் என்ன தெரியுமா?
School days in Don Bosco Education School, and my father name is Parthivan, and my mother name is Musha, and his wife is first wife, and
okay, what's your age? Last 21 years.
okay, thanks. Thank you very much. Anyone call Anand? Vaishnavi? No, Vaishnavi. No. Anita? Okay, Divya? Come on, girl. No Divya. Angela?
Angel.
Angel.
I'm from Coimbatore. My father name is Sarva Kumar. He's an ex-serviceman. And my mom is Elizabeth Rani. She's from 2 minutes over.
Okay, thanks. Okay, see, for the Noida, as soon as I asked the same question, I was asking them to stop it. So the communication is, fantastic. Even they don't have a very good marks in college. See, here we at least touch 70%, right? Maybe not boys. Girls at least touch 70%, right? Every year they make a pass. But in Noida, Delhi, and all, it's not like that. They don't bother about studies. But once they clear college, they improve their communication and their knowledge. At least one particular thing they would be specialized. So once you come out from the college, the company, CBS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture. So these people, how they are recruiting nowadays. Okay, anyone has got brothers and sisters working in software? Anyone has got it? Where is he working? That's it. In Chennai. Software. So how is it? Very happy. Very happy. Yeah. Guys, just give me 5 minutes. I'll finish this, okay? See, whenever I take interview, there are many people who cannot even talk just for 2 minutes. But there are people that they come for the interview just like that, maybe along with friends, okay? And they will not have interest to get it around. But actually speaking, only they get it. See, maybe like your name? Narendra. Like some example, maybe I can say like he also can go for interview once clear college, right? But he will not think that I should be getting selected. But at the end of the day, only he would be selected. See, it's not like that, he doesn't know English. He doesn't know English and he doesn't know how to talk for 2 minutes. But how you expose yourself. The fear factor. You know what is fear factor? See, as I said, you should start speaking. Even if you don't know English, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, whatever it is, but you should start speaking it. That is the only thing all companies are looking at right now. Because nowadays, I think 3-4 years back, when we say client, what is client? As per your knowledge, what is client? No, not customer. Foreigners. See, all software companies, 90% software companies and BPOs, I'm not sure about banking, but these two things are working under client. When I say client, which means not Indian, who are they? You guys know at least UK, US, Australia, like that. So only they come in here and give projects. Okay? So 3-4 years back, what happened is they will not even know how many employees working for HCL, Infosys, Accenture, even Wipro. Okay, but nowadays what happens is everybody just working for 6 months and jumping into different companies. Correct? You know why they are jumping? Not for salary guys, it's pressure. We say like a job pressure. So when I say pressure means they give some project. So they cannot complete on time. When I say on time means there are some project will have 1 week time, 2 months time, 3 months time. Okay. Even though they will be specialized in that particular software or language, but they will not have exposure. Like they need to put it in a system and they have to project a presentation. Right? So if they don't do it, the client will not accept it. Even though it's a good thing or it's a beautiful project, they will not accept it. So nowadays, every 1 month or every week, those clients are coming to Chennai and India. For all companies, let's say everywhere. So how they are looking is, if a person working in my company, that particular person should be, what is it? Outstanding. You know what is outstanding? Huh? Yeah. Right? It should be knowing everything. So just only one thing, one feedback or one request. So try to expose yourself. Just try to learn something. It's not like only one particular coding you know. What is it? Java, C, C++, right? No. Nowadays there are many softwares has come in this world. You know Excel, Microsoft Excel? My friend is knowing only Excel. He doesn't even know other softwares and he doesn't even know how to browse. Browse means what? Like how to download some new softwares. But he is knowing in and out of Excel sheet. You know how much he's getting every month? 53,000. Every month he's getting 53,000 and his job is only working in Excel sheet 10 hours. So and he will not even use mouse. For Excel sheet, can he use without mouse Excel sheet? But he will not even touch mouse and he will only use keyboard and he will perform all the operations. I used to get shocked whenever I see him working in this Excel sheet. Okay? So make sure that at least you know one particular thing. It's not like you go for a software for your other classes. You go, you spend money and go for classes, right? That's what happening every nowadays. How many has done CCNA here? At least try to go CCNA. Networking. You guys don't know? Have you done it? This side.
Apart from your studies, how many of you have done your courses or certification? Please raise your hands.
This side.
Any certification courses you have done?
Certification. So you think some problem here, right? Okay, no problem. But just try that you're specialist in that, okay? And guys, one more information nowadays, all companies, they used to conduct the technical round is the first one. You guys know? Even college, Zansa, software company Zansa. Zansa used to come. Yeah, they used to come and they start first round with the technical round. But nowadays it's vice versa. First they are checking whether you are capable of delivering things, which means they give mic like this or they just ask you to go on stage and they ask you to speak whatever you want. Okay? And they just listen how you are speaking. Okay? So maybe in future you can also come and work in HCL. Maybe I might be your trainer. Everyone is here? Okay? So make sure that you learn something. It's not like that you do engineering by someone told you that please do engineering, you will get job. No. Because last week, just for one particular process has been closed for us HCL and that process has been changed to CTS. CTS has bought that project from HCL. And for that one, CTS has conducted an interview. Okay? Just fresher as well as experience, 2 years experience. You know how many people have come for the interview? Just take a clue. And that is required only for engineering graduates. 650 members. In that 350 of freshers, not just now, 2 years they have done college, they don't have a job. Okay? And you know how much you get for software salary once you get selected? The minimum salary? Okay, 25. So do you think in 25 can you live in Chennai? That too if you have a big family, right? So you cannot survive, right? Okay? But if you have some soft skill, and you say soft skill means it's not like you know about coding this thing and all, like how you project yourself. When interviewer taking some interview with you, you should be informing indirectly that you know everything. Okay? So that easily they will take you. And even you can demand salary. As a fresher, you can demand salary for 30,000. There are people when we take interview, they simply say, if you give 25,000, I will be signing for this document. Otherwise, no problem. I have attended like this. Okay? So, Karthik, just take care of your life. Okay? It's not very fun. Because college days you can have fun. Even I also have fun. Okay, even if you go and ask.
You will face the same difficulty once you are out of college. Can I enjoy?
Okay, you guys know this Kamala sir.
He's now director now from the Kerala.
Okay. Simple question.
For one job, we are getting 650 people. For a competitive work, this is competitive work. For a single job, one position, we are getting 650 people for an HR. So
Outside
not
Chennai
only in
means?
Chennai, we have places from different, people from different places approaching Chennai.
Yes, sir, in different companies. But there are chances, you know, that the interviewer might throw a question like, if you get selected over this, how many years will you work, right? So what answers will you give? Huh? So what answers will you give? Guys, question, please answer me. Maybe you can tell that, maybe he can tell the Puchi very tell the it's not like that. Tell them that, you know, I have many ambitions, I have many dreams. So if I get implement and get succeed in that, I'll be in this company. But I'm not sure how many years might be. Okay? Don't tell that I will be in 6 months, I will be in 1 year. After that I get married, I'll go. So damn sure they will not recruit. Even if you have many course certificates, if you say like this, they will not recruit. Okay? Because nowadays all software companies looking for stability. Whether this employee would be here at least for 1 or 2 years. Because in training, each and every software company is paying 1 lakh, minimum 1 lakh for one employee. You know what is training? They say the period, what they pay? Some training period, 3 months, 4 months. So they have to show we are giving training for these people to climb. Okay, so then they will give money to the SCR company name, and then we will give money to you guys. So don't tell that you will not be there for 6 months and all. Okay? And that too, nowadays TCS, ETS and all was taking interview and asking, for first 6 to 7 months, you will not be in a software job, you will be taking calls. You know what is taking calls? Guys, you know what is taking calls? Yeah, like call center. And after that, you will be moved to software company. For us also, don't tell that I don't like it, I don't want it. Choose it and work for it, and then move into software. Okay? So, anything you want to ask? No?
I hope your pain, okay, I understand your pain. It's finished, over, and you have any queries you can ask to them.